Hi guys, so I'm a senior school teacher and this one is for my students. Name the place you would like to go once this pandemic is over. Okay, for me that would be my school, my department, my classroom where we used to have those fun and interactive sessions with each other face to face. How many agree? You do. Well, there is no place as sweet as a lively, interactive, fun classroom. But meanwhile, there is learning to look out for. We have schools, colleges, they are filled with fun and chatter, but the bigger picture must not be missed. The learning should not be paused. So, how do we ensure that in the current situation, your learning is not affected? It is not missed. We improvise. How? We make sure that you learn at least 5 topics in 1 week. 5 topics, 1 week. How? Let's find out. Internet is a well of information. What we do is we filter out the content. Make a list of your favorites. Favorite YouTube channel, favorite content website. That is, you pass the information through a narrow pipe, you streamline and you select what works best for you, what provides you information you need and in the format that you need. Remember, every person is different. What works for your friend may not work for you. So take recommendations but choose wisely. Again, goal is to make learning easy and effective. 5 topics, 1 week. Second, read. While watching videos is an effective means of learning, the video is the presenter's vision of the topic. You don't want yourselves to be restricted to one person's vision. What you do is you read and you develop your own vision. If possible, read prolifically. If not, then at least 1 hour in a day divided into 2 phases of 30 minutes each. And when you do, find out those heavyweight words, find out the meanings of it if they are new to you, so that in the process you develop your vocabulary. Next, join one thing for the fun of it. That should not be a part of your curriculum, something you learn just to help you grow, just for the joy of it. Though anything you learn helps you grow and is a part of the learning process, but where is the fun in that? Let's learn one thing without any ulterior motive. And that should not be a part of your 5 topic, 1 week goal. Or it can be. Finally, self-assess. Take quizzes, join discussion forums, write and post articles, make concept maps. But only when you are done with the 5 topic, 1 week goal. Just show off. Last and not the least, schedule. Gift yourself a timetable, a daily schedule of time assigned for each of the activities. Do it once and see how it takes care of all the confusions and conundrums throughout the day. Make a checklist according to your daily target as part of your 5 topic, 1 week plan. Try to avoid procrastination using the Pomodoro technique. Set an alarm of 25 minutes and focus on the task at hand during those 25 minutes. Avoid all distractions. Silent your mobiles. If possible, put them on airplane mode and close yourself to your surroundings, focusing only on the study that you're doing. Once you're done with the topic, once you've completed those 25 minutes of your task, gift yourself with all those missed notifications, maybe a game, or even better, take a walk in the open. Exercise free choice. Let your body soak in the dopamine. The work and the pleasure combined to make sure that you achieve your 5-topic and 1-week goal. Dear children, learning need not be boring. It need not be dependent on the teacher. And just as sincerely I wish to see you all back in my classroom again, I also wish to see you as more independent learners. Though I do hope that you don't come to me in class and tell me, "Ma'am, we don't need you anymore. We can manage our learning on our own." Though I would love to see that as well. So see you guys. Bye-bye.